Samsung Galaxy S9, one of the best smartphones of 2018, is ready for pre-order. I think we can order this device in UAE. It will be available from March 17 or March 16. So there is a very small trick for any Samsung device, including S9. Suppose you're buying an S9 and you just want to see the hardware functionality or the hardware correction of it. You can simply go to the dialer and type *#0*#. So it will take you to this secret menu or hardware menu where you can check if your device hardware is perfect. For example, the reds, the greens. Look how amazing it looks. I don't know whether the camera can capture the details, but the screen quality and the OLED panel is supreme. Awesome by Samsung. A bit better than S8 for sure. The receiver, the vibration I can't show on the camera. The mega cam. And all the sensors. And even the hardware in this device is one of the best by any Android device at the moment. One of the best processors, dual SIM card options. It has the proximity sensor, accelerometer, barometer sensor, light sensor, gyroscope, everything. One of the best hardware. Now this is the most important thing, like especially for Samsung. The LED panel of the Samsung is, you can say, equal to the price of the Samsung device. If you break your LED, to change your LED, it's like it costs almost the same price of the device itself. Let me put it here. So it's always good to check the LED panel by swiping the whole screen. Sometimes you get a defective unit, so some areas are not working properly. So this is how you check the LED panel, whether everything is perfectly working fine or no. Also, it has a stereo speaker. Awesome stereo speaker. Check the LED panel. Then you have the iris camera. So this is how you check your hardware accuracy of your device. Actually, you can use it on your Samsung Galaxy S5, Samsung S7, S8, Note 8, and all the Samsung devices. Very easy to, if you're buying a phone, it's always good to just check the hardware functionality, because something goes with the hardware. I think there's no company which is giving you warranty for that. So if you find any flaws in the beginning itself, you can change the device. Rest everything is standard. The camera is one of the best. I have recently seen the DxO Mark result for this device. Very impressive. I think this is the leading device now with 99 score. This now on second is the Google Pixel XL2, which also has an amazing camera, which is the phone I'm shooting from. So just a quick tip about the hardware of this device. Incredible device. I asked the guy about the pre-booking of this phone. There's not much of craze because it looks quite similar to S8, but I think eventually it will It will become very popular once people start using it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also, click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.